to stop. It said to stop. See, the traffic lights turn red, it said stop. Okay. So see here, all the traffics are stopped over here. All the traffics are stopped over here because it is in red light. See, red light say stop. So that is why all the traffics are stopped over here. See, the people are crossing on the zebra crossing. By using a zebra crossing, people are crossing. Now it's turned to green. It say go. The traffic light say green. See, all the traffics are moving. All the traffics are moving. It say go. All the traffics are moving. Okay. Green light say go. Green light say go. Now yellow light say to wait. Yellow light say to wait. Okay. This is the traffic lights. This is a zebra crossing. So you have to cross the road by using a zebra crossing. Okay. By using a zebra crossing, you have to cross the road. Okay.
Station. Train is in high speed. Now I will tell you some safety rules you should maintain before boarding the train. See, the people are step down before stop the train. When train will stop, then we should go down from the train. We should not board in the moving train. When train will stop, then we should board in. So don't enter the moving train. We should follow this rule. If we should not follow this rule, then anytime any accident can happen. So before boarding the train, we should follow, don't get up the moving train. When train come and reach and stop, after then we should board in. And this is the subway we should use to cross one platform to another platform. See, people are using this, so we should use this subway or overbridge. Don't cross the rail track. Okay, so this is the railway station. We should follow these rules. These students, this is rail gate. See, the gate is closed, but the people are coming under the gate. See, but this is not a rule. We should not do this. When this gate will get up, then we should cross the rail track. This is very much harmful or dangerous. Anytime train can come and any accidents can happen. So when the gate will get up or will open, then we should cross. This is very much harmful when the gate will close that time to cross. So before crossing the rail track, we should be very careful. See, that uncle also. This is very much harmful. We should not do this. We should not do this. See, the train is coming, but that time also. Now look at these people. They are following the rules because they know train will come. That's why they are waiting for opening the gate. After opening the gate, only they will cross. Okay students, see, now I am showing you water transport system. This is a boat. When you board in the boat, then you should carefully board in. Okay, don't push other. When you sit in the boat, then you just sit the center area. Okay, so this is a boat. See, the girl is entering the boat. So carefully, when you board in the boat, just do carefully. See, this is another type of boat. When you board in this type of boat, then you have to sit the center area. Don't sit the outside area. Okay, and when you step up the boat, then don't push. See, there are some rules, safety rules here written. Like when you board in the boat, then don't push each other. Okay, be careful to board on the boat. Okay, there are some safety rules are there, so you have to maintain. Okay.